Hi guys, we are going to continue from where we stopped the other time. So today's topic is basic HTML elements. Basic HTML elements. So we are going to learn about basic HTML elements, which are opening tags and closing tags. Now, in HTML, everything is built using what we call elements. Like you can think of that elements like the building blocks of a web page. The building blocks of a web page. Let me give you an example. Like when you use a brick to build a house, that brick, you understand, that brick that used to build a house is the building block of that house. So that's why I said that element is like the building blocks of the web page. Now each HTML element has three main parts, which are the opening tag, the contents, and the closing tag. Now I want to break it down. So you click on this workspace. Then we go back to our project that we did at our last topic. First sample, you click on it and you take it to the interface. So this is our interface. So back to where I stop. Each HTML element has three main parts, which are the opening tag, the content, and the closing tag. Number one, opening tag. Number two, the content. Number three, closing tag. Now let me break it down for you. The opening tags is what tells the browser like, oh, you have a visitor. Oh, hello, a new element is starting here. You understand? Oh no man, like yeah, sorry. The opening tag will be the one to alert the browser that a new element is starting here. So to open a tag, you input an open angle bracket. This is the open angle bracket. You click this one. Then we are going to choose an element. And what are we going to use for the element? Let's use letter P. P for the element. Then you now close the brackets with close angle brackets, which is this one. You see that when I press this close angle brackets, the code editor automatically help you complete it. Like when I click this close angle brackets, the code editor automatically help me to complete it by adding a closing tag. You understand? So now let's talk about the closing tag. The closing tag is almost the same as the opening tag. You see that they are the same. The only difference between them is that the closing tag has forward slash. This one, you see, the opening tag is open brackets and open angle bracket, then P, which is the element, then close angle bracket. So the closing tag is the open angle brackets, then the forward slash, then the P element, then the close angle bracket. Do you see now? So the forward slash is very important because it tells the browser that this is where it ends. You understand? So now, lastly, we are going to talk about the contents. The contents is just like whatever you put in between the opening tags and the closing tags. Like, let um I'm coming. I want to think about what to input, like what we are going to use as a content. Okay, let me write this. Okay, this is an HTML paragraph. You understand? So we now have the opening tags, the contents at the middle, then the closing tags. Now, what happens if you forget the closing tag? Like the closing tags, if you forget it, well, the browser may just get confused and we don't know what your like where your element ends. You understand? So this can lead to formatting issue on your page. So the normal conclusion is that the foundation of written clean HTML, like the foundation of it, like you having a written clean element, the foundation of it is by always remembering to open your tag and make sure you close it. So I hope you get the explanation. So we meet at the next class. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and follow and subscribe. Thank you.